In a peaceful valley surrounded by rainbow-colored hills and deep blue mountains, there was a magical place known far and wide as the well-known forest. The trees there hummed with ancient songs, the rivers sang lullabies, and the stars winked down like old friends. And right in the heart of the forest lived four inseparable best friends, each wildly different, but united by something truly magical, the power of friendship. Bella the bunny was bright and bubbly. She bounced through the forest, always bringing cheer and wildflowers wherever she went. Tim the turtle was thoughtful and steady. He might move slowly, but he always had wise words and the perfect advice for every sticky situation. Squeaky the Squirrel was small, swift, and super smart. She chatted excitedly about everything she discovered in the trees and was always inventing new games. Rory the Raccoon was mischievous but kind-hearted. He loved a good joke and could turn even the gloomiest day into a giggle fest. Together, they built nests, forts, and fun in every corner of the well-known forest. And they had one rule: friends always stick together, no matter what. One shimmering morning, the sky darkened, and a loud crack echoed across the forest. Birds fluttered away in fright. The friends raced to the center of the forest, where the majestic heart tree stood tall. It was the oldest, wisest tree in the well-known forest, and it sparkled whenever someone did something kind or brave. But now, its golden leaves were falling. Its trunk glowed with a message: the heart of the forest is fading. Only four true friends can save it, by showing kindness, honesty, and loyalty. Bella gasped. Tim nodded slowly. It's up to us. Let's go, shouted Rory, already sprinting ahead. They arrived at a glowing blue pool. The water was perfectly still, like glass. A gentle voice whispered, "Only those who show kindness may pass." Bella offered her crown of daisies to a sad-looking mole nearby. Tim helped a ladybug find her way home. Rory gently helped a frog fix his lopsided lily pad. Squeaky scampered up a tree and dropped sweet berries for hungry birds. The water rippled happily, forming stepping stones across. "Kindness opens the way," the voice echoed. Next, they entered a cave so dark, even Squeaky stopped chattering. Suddenly, glowing eyes opened on the wall. "Speak the truth, even when it's hard." Squeaky lowered her head. I once used Bella's favorite ribbon to decorate my tail and never gave it back." Bella blinked, then giggled. "I thought I lost it." Rory cleared his throat. "I once blamed Tim for eating the last honeycakes. But it was me. I was just so hungry." Tim chuckled softly. "All is forgiven, friend." The cave walls lit up with warm light, and the path ahead opened. "Honesty warms the heart," the cave echoed. Finally, they reached a swaying rope bridge over a deep gorge. The wind howled, and fog covered the other side. As they stepped on, the boards creaked and wobbled. Suddenly, Squeaky slipped. "Help!" she squealed, dangling by a paw. Rory darted forward, grabbing her. Tim braced himself, anchoring Rory. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.